Alright, let me show you how to remove the background and keep the subject in Premiere Pro. It's really easy, so let's jump into it. So in Premiere Pro, I've got a clip over here, so just tap on that clip. Then you want to go to this little rectangle mask tool, hold down on that and change it to object mask tool. Maybe it's on something else. Then go and select the subject. That is a great frame of me. Bam, select that subject. Under your effect controls panel, you'll see unassigned masks, object mask. Go to the tracker here and then select track selected mask forward and backward. So this is going to take like 35 seconds. For longer clips, it could take like 4 minutes, 10 minutes, depends on how long your clip is. So here we're at 27 seconds or so. So maybe I just speed this up. Okay, there we go. We now have this object mask. I'm going to drag this down under opacity, and poof, the background is gone. Fantastic. And so that's how you remove the background of a selected clip. Boom. There we go. And now with the background gone, you can start to move this around. You can change it. You can fade the background out. You can change the background. You can do a number of things. Super easy, super fast. There we go. If you like this, there's more stuff coming. Hit subscribe. All right. Bye for now.